How to optimize data analysis with Claude and Pandas. Discover innovative techniques for integrating Claude's AI capabilities with Pandas to enhance your data analysis efficiency and accuracy.
Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the cutting-edge world of data analysis with Claude and Pandas. Did you know that integrating AI can boost your data processing by over 50% in efficiency? In this video, we'll explore how Claude's AI capabilities can be seamlessly integrated with Pandas to not only save you time but also increase the accuracy of your analyses. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting, this video is packed with practical tips and techniques to optimize your workflow. Let's get started.
Claude AI is a powerful tool designed to enhance data analysis through its advanced machine learning algorithms and natural language processing capabilities. It provides features such as automated data cleaning, predictive analytics, and intelligent data visualization. By leveraging Claude, data scientists can streamline their workflows, reduce errors, and gain deeper insights from their data. Claude's adaptability with tools like Pandas makes it an invaluable asset in the modern data stack, allowing for seamless integration and enhanced functionality. With Claude, you can focus on interpreting results rather than getting bogged down in data preparation. Integrating Claude with Pandas involves a few key steps to ensure a seamless workflow. First, you need to configure your environment by installing the necessary libraries and setting up API connections. Ensure that your versions of Pandas and Claude are compatible. Claude offers a comprehensive API that can be easily integrated into your existing Pandas workflows, allowing you to leverage AI capabilities directly within your Python scripts. Follow best practices such as maintaining clean code and using version control to troubleshoot common issues effectively. With proper integration, you'll experience enhanced efficiency and accuracy in your data analysis tasks.
Before diving into data analysis, it's crucial to set up your environment correctly. Ensure your system meets all the requirements for running Claude and Pandas. Start by installing Python, Pandas, and the Claude SDK. Use virtual environments to manage dependencies and avoid conflicts. Configure your system to optimize performance by allocating sufficient memory and processing power. If you encounter any setup issues, consult the documentation or online forums for troubleshooting tips. A well-configured environment sets the foundation for efficient data analysis, minimizing disruptions and allowing you to focus on extracting insights from your data. Data cleaning and pre-processing are crucial steps in any data analysis workflow. With Claude's AI capabilities, you can automate many of these tasks, improving both efficiency and data quality. Claude can automatically detect and handle missing data, correct errors, and normalize datasets. By utilizing AI-driven pre-processing techniques, you can focus on more complex analysis tasks, knowing that your data is accurate and reliable. This not only saves time but also enhances the overall quality of your data, leading to more accurate and insightful analyses. Automation is a game changer in data analysis, particularly when dealing with repetitive tasks. Claude AI can automate processes such as data entry, report generation, and even complex calculations. By automating these tasks, you reduce the risk of manual errors, increase productivity, and free up time for more strategic analysis work. With Claude, you can set up automation scripts that run on a schedule or trigger based on specific events, ensuring that your workflows are both efficient and reliable. Embrace automation to enhance your data analysis capabilities and focus on deriving insights that drive decision-making. Data visualization is a powerful tool for communicating insights effectively. With Claude's AI capabilities, you can enhance your visualizations by uncovering patterns and trends that might not be immediately apparent. Claude can suggest visualization techniques and generate interactive dashboards that make your data more accessible and engaging. By leveraging AI insights, you can create compelling narratives that tell the story behind your data, making it easier for stakeholders to understand and act on the information. Enhance your data visualizations with AI to deliver impactful presentations and drive better decision-making. Claude and Pandas are being used across various industries to drive data-driven decision-making. From finance to healthcare, these tools are helping organizations extract valuable insights from their data. In this section, we'll explore real-world applications and case studies that highlight the transformative power of Claude and Pandas. Learn from success stories and discover best practices that can be applied to your own projects. We'll also discuss future trends in data analysis, giving you a glimpse into the potential of AI-driven analytics and how it can shape the future of data science. Despite the numerous benefits of integrating Claude with Pandas, users may encounter common issues such as compatibility conflicts, API errors, or performance bottlenecks. In this section, we'll provide effective troubleshooting techniques to address these challenges. Learn how to identify issues quickly and use available resources such as online forums, documentation, and community support to find solutions. We'll also offer tips on preventing integration problems and maintaining optimal system performance. By understanding how to troubleshoot effectively, you can ensure a smooth and efficient data analysis workflow.
As we wrap up, let's recap what we've learned about optimizing data analysis with Claude and Pandas. By integrating AI capabilities, automating repetitive tasks, and enhancing data visualizations, you can significantly boost the efficiency and accuracy of your data analysis workflows. We encourage you to practice these techniques and become an active member of our community by sharing your experiences and insights. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share it with your network, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching.